Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to block clearing history on Safari on iPhone. For example, if you want to block, no one should be allowed to clear history and website data on your iPhone related to Safari. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So first of all, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. After turning off the airplane mode, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, if you want to delete clear history and website data, so here you can simply find the option of Safari. So here you have to simply click on that. And after that, here you can find, if you click on clear history and website data, then it is now cleared. Now if you want to lock that clear history and website data, which means if you do not want to allow, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to go back, and after that you have to simply click on screen time, and after that you have to click on content privacy and restriction, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on this toggle on, and after that you have to simply click on allowed apps and features. So here you have to simply turn on the toggle for the Safari. And after turning on all these toggle, you can see that your clear history and website data button will be grayed out, and it will not be allowed to clear all of your history and website data from the Safari now. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.